What's your goal? What's your goal? You want to dress to be better looking. I know you. I read your mind. I know what you want, and I'm going to help you out today. I'm going to show you 6 things that you can do when you're dressed to make yourself better looking. Let's hop into this. Number 1, I want you to put your boys on too. I don't want you to gatekeep trends and styles. No. I want you to put your boys on. You got to share the good stuff, and this is for a reason. See, going out with your friends, when you're going out, you want to look good, you're hoping to get a girl that night, not only will it increase your confidence, but if they're also dressed well, like you are, you're automatically raising the level of attractiveness as a group, and on average, you guys look more attractive. And I'm not just making this up. This is actually called the cheerleader effect. It's been studied like you're seeing on screen right now. And the interesting part is basically when you have a group of friends that are also attractive, individuals are not just going to rate one person at a time, but instead they're going to rate you as a group collectively and then take an average of that, making all of you more attractive usually. Number 2. Show off areas you are toned in. You have to understand that any signs of physical health is seen as extremely attractive on the opposite sex. I'll give you an example. For men, toned shoulders, toned chest, and toned arms is a strong sign of dominance and health that women love to see on men. So whatever clothes you buy, make sure it highlights this. For example, a simple t-shirt. Like, you don't even have to be too complex. You don't have to overthink it. A simple white or black tee, or whatever color you want. Just make sure it's nice and tight on the arms, it's nice and tight on the chest and shoulders, and there's a little bit of room in the waist in case you have a little bit of extra weight. See, this is why we built the best t-shirt in the world. With Essentials, when I started the brand Essentials, this was the main problem I saw. I didn't find a shirt that actually highlighted those 3 key features that I know make a man look more attractive. It makes you more masculine, more dominant. There was no t-shirt that fit perfectly, well, until we made it. This is why we call it the perfect t-shirt in the world. And then we made it with the proprietary bamboo cotton blend that you won't find anywhere else. So not only does it fit right, it feels ridiculously soft, like your girl's gonna keep this t-shirt soft type of shirt. Well, boys, we've sold over 300,000 of these tees for a reason. They move quick. And like I said, I'm gonna order like crazy. This year, we're gonna order more product. And I'm talking, I don't even want to tell you, it's almost obscene the amount of product that we're ordering. We're moving more than ever, and I want you to be able to go and buy a t-shirt, one of the best tees in the world, whenever you want. We always sell out, like always. But right now, boys, you can actually try one out. If you guys want to try out our bamboo tees or our Tencel tees, which are just as good but long sleeve, so right now for the cooler months, bro, these are t-shirts you're going to want to add. These are your basics. If I were you, most people buy 3, 4, 5 of these because not only do they sell fast, but once you get hooked on these, this is all you're going to want to wear because you just feel good in them. That's the level that I want to get you to. If you guys want to check out Essentials and all our basics like our zip-up hoodies, our heavyweight tees, or our bamboo tees, click that link down below. Which takes us on to number 3, switch it up. Look, predictability is boring. Your style should showcase your personality and whatever fun side you might have. So switch it up once in a while. Switch up fits, switch up color palettes, even switch up formality. Not only does it keep it fun and entertaining for you so you don't have to wear the same thing every day, but it keeps others on their toes, kind of admiring your style and the way you present yourself and show off your personality. This keeps people wanting more, which exactly rolls us on to number 4. Wear a nice watch. Look, a watch is one of the few items that every guy can wear on a daily basis, no matter what event you're doing, that instantly levels you up. It's a high status symbol because a watch will make any fit look more elegant. It'll make any fit look more expensive. And moreover, it's a sign that you value time and take care of the details. And those are 2 points that most men today aren't about. A girl seeing that will be an instant symbol to her, this dude, this isn't like the rest of them. Which rolls us on to number 5, reduce contrast. Look, I do this in my daily wear, whether it's casual wear or whether it's formal wear. I'm doing it now, shoot. I try to reduce my contrast as much as possible, which what it means is I try to keep my colors in the same family. So if I'm wearing lights like I'm doing today, I have light blue jeans on, I have a light hoodie on, and then I have light shoes on. What this is doing is it's keeping my visual line fluent without any interruptions. What most guys do, which isn't technically a fashion faux pas, is adding hard contrast, like a bright color on top and a light color on the bottom. What this does is it cuts your body in half and shortens your visual length. Personally, I like to reduce contrast, so if I'm wearing dark colors, I'll stick to dark colors. If I'm wearing light colors, I'll stick to light colors. Not only do you look taller, leaner, and better, but it's also easier to get ready in the morning because it takes less thought. And ultimately, number 6, you have to dress with what you like. Look, every single video that I've done over the past are all suggestions, right? I'm not your mom, I'm not your dad. These are things that I'm telling you that in my personal experience have made me look better and dress better and feel more confident, and it could potentially help you as well. But if there's ever a trend or a style or a hack that you try and you're like, you know what, I don't feel comfortable in it, don't force it. Don't force trends. Don't force hacks onto yourself, because now anytime you feel uncomfortable, it doesn't matter how expensive or how good that item may make you look, that lack of confidence that you're portraying will ruin everything, and it's going to make you look less attractive. So whatever you wear, it has to be something you like and that you feel confident in, and I promise you, you'll always look your most attractive self. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, if you guys want to check out essentials like our hoodies and our tees, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.